following program contains coarse language and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised. In other words, y'all gonna hear some on this one.
What's up, everybody? We are going on a trip.
Going on a trip in our favorite tiny magic.
Anyway, MDI, where are we off to?
We're going to Prairie Gardens, and Prairie Gardens Adventure Park. I don't know, it's fun.
So what are we going to go do there?
We're going to do like a corn maze. They have corn mazes. They have pumpkin patches. We're supposed to go through like a walk where a guide is going to tell us different kinds of pumpkins and stuff. I don't know. It sounded cool. And then we get to gourds and stuff. Yeah, pumpkins and gourds and stuff. And then there's a huge market that has fresh vegetables and fruits that they grow themselves as well that we're going to peruse as well. So, yeah.
That's pretty exciting. The only drawback is, as you can see by what we are wearing, is it's minus 10 out. So, you know. I'm
interested to see how they've kept pumpkins in a pumpkin patch still good since it's been below freezing for a week or so.
Well, now they're frozen pumpkins.
But but they can't be. You can't sell frozen pumpkins.
Why? They're preserved.
No.
I don't know. We'll see. It'll be interesting. It sucks that it's so fucking cold, and like this was the warmest day that we picked from, and the way the weather
when I picked it too, like it's supposed to be warmer tomorrow and Sunday now, but when because of the way we live our lives today, you have to book time to go, so because they can only book so many people a day and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So it's not just open to the public and you can just go whenever you want like it usually is.
Yeah. So I don't know. We're gonna go. We're gonna try to get lost in a corn maze and all that good stuff, and you guys can come along for the ride. So, yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see what fun we can get into. I think he's trying to get under the fence. The fence.
You just go over there, throw it over the fence.
I wish we could.
They're trying to bite my hand off. Those ducks are not happy. Hi, bud.
He's got to be used to us. He's got to be used to humans.
He's not freaked out by it.
There's no way a normal muskrat would be that, like...
He's like, man, I gotta find out how to get back to my house.
How do we get out of here, guys?
Really?
Jump it.
Shortcut.
Oh, snap. MDI is taking the lead.
I think. You get us lost. This is your fault. Oh, no.
This is a dead end. Shortcut. Shortcut times 2.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, snap.
That's not fair. That's just cheap.
Yeah, that is just cheap.
There's so many birds.
There
I see
is
at
so
least
many
20.
birds.
27.
See if I can zoom in
There's
on
also a
them.
spider right there.
Look at the rabbits.
Look at all these birds just hanging out. They hanging with the bunnies.
Dave?
No.
Logic, are those your people?
sunflower and a corn.
Oh. Where's the corn?
Back that way further.
Look at him.
Daylight, babe. Me and Logan are gonna go.
Oh, nice little camping. You know what's gonna happen. Jason's gonna come over and beat these motherfuckers' asses. Is that your new friend?
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
He's eating some pumpkin.
Are they eating a pumpkin or something?
Yeah, they must toss pumpkins down there for him.
I can't believe your eye caught him, babe.
I know,
I
I
was
was like,
just,
wait a
I was
minute.
just looking. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
look at all these pumpkins that are thrown here.
Yeah, there was
And
a moment
then
where I was
you were
wait
like,
a minute.
hey, he's right there.
I was looking over at all the rocks and the leaves, and it was nice, and I was like, wait a minute, there's a furry soda.
But this is definitely.
You can see him better over here, Dad.
He's used to being here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Basil.
Hi, Basil. Are you okay, Basil? You like the bell? Basil? You are a pretty bird. A very pretty bird. Hi.
What's up, guys? So that was an amazing time. We really... What?
I was still fucking with my coat. Whatever. Go ahead.
Get your shit together, lady.
It's all together.
Anyway, we were going to film, like the... What do you call it? The outro or the finalization of the video. The recap or whatever, if you will,
Yeah,
of
like
our
as
time.
we were driving home, coming
But-
into the house.
As many of you may or may not know, MDI suffers from cramped fasciculation syndrome, and CFS is rare, and they still don't even
Very
kind of
rare.
know what's going on. But the general gist, and maybe we'll do a video where we talk more in depth about it, but the general gist is she gets these crazy cramps all over her body, all throughout the day, and doctors don't really know why. They're trying to figure it out. She's on meds to help it, blah blah blah. I don't want to make it too much about it in this video, but either way, on the way home, just before we were going to record our everything was amazing.
This is what we did.
Yeah, she unfortunately she had a really two really bad cramps all in once in the car, and it wasn't a good time. And so this is the next morning, but we definitely had a lot of fun. Like you
Oh,
can
yeah, it
see
was
from
great.
the video, we got to see so many cool animals, chickens, the muskrat.
Oh, the muskrat was
Was
the
so
best
cool.
part because he wasn't supposed to.
He wasn't supposed to be.
there.
He was just
That
a
was
little
just
guest
a
spot.
wild
That was
fucking animal.
And the chickens and the geese and the ducks and all that stuff. It was really cool.
It was awesome.
A lot of fun. We're definitely going to go
Kids
back
had a great time.
in the spring.
In May, yeah, they open up again in May.
Probably spring, maybe even summer, depending, because as you can see from the video, like the sunflower mazes and the corn mazes and stuff, they weren't really mazes.
They're probably
anymore.
the best in August, September. The
Yeah,
sunflower
kind of when
mazes.
they're like full bloom or whatever. So we'll probably do that again. But yeah, we'll put a link to where we went in the description below. If you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, share, all that good stuff. And we look forward to continuing entertaining you guys.
Yeah. Stick
Check.
around.